Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix please wait a few minutes before you try again on Instagram. So in the case that you have come encounter with this specific issue on the Instagram application and you want to go ahead and fix it, obviously. So how do you fix this issue? All we need to do is to make sure that we are connected with our internet. So that's the first steps that we could do to solve this issue. We need to make sure that we're connected stably with our internet. So once we already are, of course, we could now go ahead and try our cellular data instead if in the case that our Wi-Fi is still acting up on us and we are still experiencing some problem with it. Of course, you could also go ahead and make sure that our Instagram applications is actually up to date. So search for Instagram right here on the app stores. If in the case that it has an update available, I would like you guys to go ahead and update your applications to the latest version. And once that is already done, of course, another thing that we could also do to fix this issue is to offload the application because you have already tried a bunch of times and the cache is already, well, full. So head on over on general on your settings on your iPhone device, tap on iPhone storage, and I want you to search for the Instagram application. Now once you're already here on the Instagram application, I want you to tap on your search bar over here and search for Instagram, and I want you to tap on offload to offload the application with its data. I want you to do that, of course, and tap on reinstall again, and what that'll do is clear the cache as well as all of its data, giving you much more the best user experience possible and solve all of these bugs and of course fix those issues. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.